What's up, you guys? My name is Amber. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be taking a look at some goodies from Frosty Skincare. Frosty Skincare is an all-natural, handmade, cruelty-free skincare line based out of Los Angeles, and they were kind enough to send me a few goodies to feature on my channel. This video is not monetarily sponsored, however, I did receive these products in order to showcase to you guys, but without too much further ado, let's go ahead and just get straight into the package. First of all, I'm sorry, how fucking cute. They specifically branded it. That is absolutely adorable. We'll go ahead and pull this little guy out of the box. And then we have all of our fun pink little worms. We have this little box right here that should be filled with some cute little skincare goodies. First up, we have Frosty bath salts, 100% natural, small batch. Ingredients include Epsom salt, pink Himalayan rock salt, rose petal, lavender essential oil, and vitamin C. So we have this little jar right here. It is glass, I believe. Ooh, actually, in the light, I think it might be like an amber glass type of deal too, which is, you know, very on brand, very cute. But go ahead and open that up. Oh, look how cute. Like, you have the rose petals and everything just straight on the, I don't know, I love the aesthetic of some of the all-natural stuff like this, especially when it comes to bath products. Ooh, it does smell quite delightful, actually. You know, it's very, you know, prevalently like Epsom salt, lavender-ish based, which isn't normally my favorite scent, but I really like this combination with all of the little products in it. That will prove to be a very pleasant bath, I'm sure. Next up, we will take a look at this guy, which is the Frosty Crystal Infused Oil. Ingredients include jojoba oil, dried lavender, and amethyst. Oh my god, I am actually incredibly excited for this for multiple reasons. One, because I haven't had the chance to purchase any new jojoba oil in years, but it is something that I was using for a while. I worked at like a health foods kind of store that had like a holistic section, and I would buy jojoba oil and use it as like a cuticle oil, and it was lovely. But unfortunately, it does run on the more expensive side, and your girl's a broke ass bitch, so just hasn't had the chance to pick any new ones up. So I'm really excited that this is jojoba oil, and it's also crystal infused, like there are little chunks of amethyst in it. And I did actually read on the Frosty social medias that all of the crystals they use in any of their products are moon charged. For anybody who has a particular preference or affinity for that kind of thing, it could definitely be used in spell work or rituals and that type of thing if you do run on the more spiritual or witchy side of things. And if not, it's just a cute little all-natural product. Like I said, I will definitely most likely be using this as a cuticle oil type deal. I mean, I'll probably also look into some other uses of jojoba oil, but primarily ya nails for me. And it is a rollerball product, so that'll be very easy to apply. Do a little roll of that. Okay, it's very neutral smelling. It does have a slight scent, but it is very subtle. So I would not notice it too terribly much, which is especially good for anybody who happens to be particularly scent based. Like if you scent based, for anybody who has a particular preference or aversion towards strong smells, this would be a good product for you because it is very subtle smelling. And last but not least, we have this soap that we are going to check out. This particular guy does not have any external labeling on it, but I have seen on their socials that they do just do a lot of hand soap type stuff. Yeah, it definitely feels like a glycerin type of product. You know, got that soapy feel. Also doesn't have too terribly strong of a scent. Does anybody else have just like the childhood memory of like DIY soap kits? This is very much what that smells like, because, you know, DIY soap, it's handmade. But that's pretty much just what it smells like. It smells more like soap base than anything else. I'm not feeling any other scents come through particularly strongly. But it does look like it has some floral flower petals infused in it, as well as some crystals infused in it, which is also very, very lovely. Could also be used for ritual and spiritual purposes for anybody who's into that kind of thing. Or just you get to use soap and then you have some cute little crystals left over, which is actually an idea that I'm very, very fond of. That's actually super, super cute. Kind of like, you know, those bath products like the bath bombs and stuff that have like stuff hidden inside. You know, it's like use up all your soap and then you have crystals left over. But those were all of the products that Frosty was so very kind enough to send to me. So I look forward to testing some of those out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a blast hanging out with y'all. Peace.